Today I'm going to be doing a trust fall with Becca. I want to make baguettes. To make baguettes, first we're going to need 1 cup of flour. Next we're going to need half a cup of cool water.
And we put everything in this bowl?
Yes. Now we need 1/16 of a teaspoon of yeast.
Do we mix it in with this water?
Yep.
Stir it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna stir it up. It didn't say that in the instructions, so I'm just doing it for fun. After we put the water and yeast in, we'll stir it up. We're gonna have to cover this mixture, and we're just gonna put it aside for now, for the next 14 hours.
14 hours?
Yup, that's what it says. We better go check on the baguettes. Now we need 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of slightly warm water. Now we need 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. Now put the yeast in the water. Now stir it up a little. And put this into the starter. Now we need 3.5 cups of flour. We need 2 teaspoons salt. Mix it all together. Now you have to knead it a bit. Now we have to let it rise for 45 minutes. Now we have to flip it over. And then let it sit for another 45 minutes. Now we have to divide this into 3 equal pieces. We have to make these into a ball by pulling the edges into the center. So I guess like that. Beautiful! Now we have to cover them in plastic wrap. Beautiful! Let them rise for 15 minutes. Alright. Now that they've, been here for 15 minutes, you kind of roll the dough, kind of like that, and then you flatten it. Now you fold them almost in half. Alright, now we have to go like that, flatten it again, and then do the same thing.
So you flip it the other way.
Flatten it, and then do it again.
Flip it, flatten it, and do it again.
Now with the seam side down, go like this, and then you roll it. And then you just go like that to make the pointy end of the baguette. Okay, so now you put them on a towel, a dish towel. You go like that, and you put another one down. And you go like that. And you put another one down. And go like that.
And you have parchment paper underneath?
I do, yeah. Because I think we're going to be baking them on that sheet.
And do you need to have this cookie tray
Yep.
under them?
Yeah. Now we have to let them rise for another 45 minutes.
Do we put anything over them?
Yeah, plastic wrap. I'll just use the same one.
Okay.
Now that they're almost done rising, let's preheat the oven to 450 degrees. We put this cast iron pot in the oven on the bottom rack. Now, since these are all good, we're gonna put one here. Alright, that's one. Now, on each baguette, we're gonna make 5 slashes. And this isn't a great knife for it, but now we need to boil 1.5 cups of water. Now that the water is boiling, we'll put it into the oven. We'll pour it into the pan in the oven. I'm just gonna, there must be a better way of doing this. Alright, now we have to put the baguettes into the oven. And we'll put them on the top rack. And then steam will help them rise. Now, they have to bake for around 24 minutes. Open the oven slightly. Once it's been 2 minutes, we take them out of the oven. I made these baguettes for my family. They deserve butter, but it's the yeast I could do.